everyone, welcome to Jeevan Vidya Mind Management. We have the honor of having Mr. Prahlad Pai here today. Thank you for being here, sir.
Hello.
Hi. So, we've been hearing a lot about the word Jeevan Vidya in all our videos, and I'm sure all of you viewers have been wondering what is Jeevan Vidya. Um, so we are going to find out what Jeevan Vidya is. I'm going to explain it in very brief terms, what, a layman can also understand. So I'm going to explain it like that. And then Mr. Prahlad Pai will answer the more deeper kind of questions that we have about Jeevan Vidya. So Jeevan Vidya is a Sanskrit word or two words in Sanskrit. Sanskrit is one of the ancient Indian languages, and Jeevan is life and Vidya is knowledge. So a lot of us go through life and we face different circumstances, we have different experiences, and we always feel so out of control. So we always want someone to guide us, have perfect guidance on how to live our life happily, how to make the right choices, how to get the right results, how to get what we want and still be happy at the end of the day, how to be healthy, how to be successful, how to be peaceful, how to be happy, how to be safe. We want to have all these things, but we don't know how to get it. And what Jeevan Vidya teaches us is just that, how to have a happy, healthy, peaceful, successful, and safe life. Sometimes it seems like a dream come true, but when you apply Jeevan Vidya, you start, experiencing that you can lead a happy, healthy, peaceful, successful, safe life. You can have the best of everything and still be peaceful. So I'm going to ask Mr. Prahlad Pai to explain Jeevan Vidya in more detail, because what I understand is Jeevan Vidya is a science of life and an art of successful living. So how is it a science and an art at the same time? That's what I want to find out.
Okay. When we say Jeevan Vidya, as you rightly told, that Jeevan means life and Vidya means knowledge, right? Now, when I say life, life has got two meanings, or you can say two aspects of the same word, life. One aspect is the lifespan between your birth and the death. See, when you between the birth and the death, you live your life. So that also we call as a life, and life force within us, which keeps us going. We are alive because of that life force. So that is also we call life. So life has got two aspects. That is, one is life force. Because of that, we are alive, and life span. That is between birth and the death. There is a lifespan. So we want to live that lifespan very happily and peacefully and successfully. That is what is everybody's requirement. Everybody wants that something so that they can live the life gracefully. And as you know, there is no instruction manual anywhere on this. So Sadhguru Sri Vaman Rao Pai, he has prepared this instruction manual, and that is called Jeevan Vidya.
Oh, wow.
It is instruction manual for your life. So Jeevan Vidya, when we say life and is a science and knowledge, why we call it science? Because it is basically laws of nature. It is based on laws of nature. So laws of nature are eternal, and they are not going to change anytime. You understand that?
Yes.
It's not going to change. So it is based on laws of nature. And what is science? When you find out something, laws of nature, when we find out, then we call it science. You understand?
Like
Laws of nature are there in the everywhere. But when you find out, you call it science. Law of gravity was there from the beginning. But when we found out it, we call it science, correct? So science is nothing but laws of nature only. So that's why we call Jeevan Vidya as a science of life. Second thing, it is based on the psychology and metaphysics. These words look little bit difficult, but it is not difficult. Psychology means something to do with the mind. So you must know what is mind and how that mind is useful for us, how it can shape our life. That is what psychology is. And second is metaphysics. Metaphysics is nothing to do with some physics. It is to do with the spirituality. So knowledge of your spirit, what we call spirit or life force, is called metaphysics. So as I told you, there are two aspects of life. That is, one is how to live a good life. For that you need a mind. Mind will help you to live a good life. And metaphysics, that is spirituality, will lead you to the peace and happiness. So that's why this is the best combination of spirituality and psychology. And again, it is based on laws of nature. That's why it is a science. And why it is art? Because unless you apply it and you use it, unless you use it and get the benefits out of it, it is no use. Because many people will talk about philosophies, different philosophies. Unless it is useful to you, it is of no use, correct? So that's why if you want to be, you want to take the benefits of that Jivan Vidya, then you have to learn it. It's science you have to learn and then apply it in your day-to-day life and get all the benefits that you talked about. That is success, recognition, then peace, wealth, health, everything is possible by this Jivan Vidya. So Jivan Vidya touches all aspects of life, from health to career to family life, social life, everything. So Jivan Vidya touches all the aspects of your life and all the aspects it tries to improve. Jivan Vidya tries to improve all the aspects of your life. So you will get a good health also with Jivan Vidya. You will get good career also. You will get peace also. You will get harmonious life also. So from all angles, Jivan Vidya is going to be useful to you. So I think we must learn this. And it is not, I may be using some big words like psychology and all, but it is a very simple, it is nothing but life management. When I say Jivan Vidya, it is nothing but life management. What is life management? How to manage your life successfully and peacefully and harmoniously. Now for when you want to manage the life, the core of this life is your mind. The center of your life, or you can say center of everything, is mind only. So if you catch hold of your mind, then you can get everything in life. You will be successful in life. But if you don't know how to use the mind, then you will have a random life. You will not have control on your life. So when you learn about mind management, what happens? You know how to use this mind for your material life, as well as if you can use it for your peace, happiness and joy. So both angle, from the both angle, we need mind. We need to know the knowledge of your mind, and that's why I would, in a simple term, I will say it is nothing but life management. Jivan Vidya is nothing but life management, and this life management is nothing but mind management. That's what Jivan Vidya is.
Perfect. Thank you so much for that wonderful explanation. And we will be learning more about Jivan Vidya because there are many layers to it in our future videos. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for being here.